How to be safe on Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will simply discuss how we can possibly be safe and keep ourselves safe on Craigslist ads. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, when you go over to the Craigslist website, you want to buy some used products and sometimes also some of the new products, but then you're not sure whether or not the seller is actually a legit seller or maybe they're just running some kind of fraud scams or whatever. So in order to verify this, we're going to discuss a couple of things. Whenever you open up an ad, you always have the descriptions, and for example in this product over here you can see it says to visit our website to visit the full gallery, which means that this seller also has a full functioning website and is a legit seller. We can tell from the description. Now on other sides, how it works is that you can see the number of postings that a seller has made. If they actually have a decent amount of listings on their profile, then it is most likely that the profile is actually valid. But let's say that you've discussed everything up, and whether or not it is actually how you can be safe is totally up to you, because no one else but you can actually distinguish that. Whenever you visit the seller, you always want to make sure that you inspect the product properly and only hand over the cash. And instead of always using cash, always try to use digital payment methods, because you have lots of digital methods. In case you get caught up in a scam, you can always serve that as an evidence later on. I always recommend you also meet in public places and not personal spaces. Make sure you meet in public places and always try to bring a friend with you, because sometimes a friend can also help you a lot. But hopefully a couple of these solutions might have helped you figure out, but as I said earlier, this is totally up to you. No one else but you can help yourself from being safe on Craigslist. I have also personally been scammed multiple times in my career, though not on Craigslist but on some other e-commerce platform, so you want to be very aware and keep yourself safe at all times. Thank you very much for watching till the end. If you have any more questions, comment down below, and see you soon in our next video.